This is a Windows Phone 7 game review of Angry at the Birds, which is available in the marketplace for $1.29. So this game has some pretty fast load speeds and is kind of a spin-off at the game Angry Birds. But instead, you kind of play the pigs here, and you try to shoot or slice the birds that go flying across. So here, you first start off by shooting them with those baseballs, and so you have to hit them perfectly with the baseball. If you hit the rabbits, then you'll get a point off there. And then these, you just swipe them, kind of like Fruit Ninja. So you swipe those ones that go flying up, but you have to shoot the ones that fly across horizontally. So it has some pretty cool gameplay. And you get those 5 deaths up there, so you have a good chance of going for a higher score, and it's a pretty good difficulty. Things definitely become more challenging as there's all these ones that fly up and ones that fly across, and the bunnies that you have to avoid. And then once you finally do get 5 deaths by either dropping the ones that fly up or by hitting the bunnies, the game is over, and then you can try for another high score. So that's all there is to the game. It's just going for a high score, but it's kind of almost like Fruit Ninja mixed with some other games, and it's pretty cool. The visuals are good here. They're simple, but they're effective, and there's no big frame rate lags or anything. And the sound effects are really simple. There's just some little birds tweeting in the background, and there's also the sound effects of the birds dying here. They do get repetitive, but it's alright. So the lasting value is probably just the weakest part of the game, just because it's going to depend on how long you want to keep on playing this game over and over again. But it's actually not that bad of a game. It's pretty cool. It's a good idea, and it definitely becomes really challenging as you get further and further in the levels. If you'd like to try this game, you can download the demo in the marketplace, and the demo is basically the full version. I didn't notice anything different about it at all. And otherwise, if you want to buy the paid version, it costs $1.29 and is called Angry at the Birds.